Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with another demo of PyVisual, and as you can see, this is an iOS calculator. So this is the actual calculator, and at the back you can see this is the design that we created in PyVisual and we copied it to Python. So this is completely functional. As you can see, I can write here 7 minus 6 equals 1 multiplied by 6 plus 3 and square root of that. All of the answers are correct. Now, what you can do is you can make any changes over here and you can rerun this code and it will reflect over here as well. So the idea is that you can first drag and drop and create the app, and then it will automatically generate the code for you. Now, after that code, you can also take the help from our AI programmer that will help you write the logic for this. So this logic also was written by AI. So the complete project took less than half an hour to build. So if things were more ready, it will take less than, let's say, 15 minutes to build this. So imagine that. I remember when I used to program at the very start, I created a calculator app where I just wrote the input text. So it was in the command line. So the user would ask, okay, what do you want to do? So you will give in, okay, what is 2 plus 2? And it will give you the answer 4. So that was the basic of how you started to learn programming. That's how I started to learn programming. Imagine the new users or the new programmers, they are learning this as their base. So that's how simple this is. So you can drag and drop, it will generate the code for you. And then the code is so simple, it's like English, and you can use that to write your own code, or you can use AI to help you write the code. I believe that is the new way of programming, that you don't write everything from scratch. The AI will help you along the way to write the code. And this is not just limited to calculators. Of course, you will have menus, tabs, pop-ups. If you can think of a software, you can build it. Whether it's video editors, whether it's AI agents, whatever you want to do, you can do it with PyVisual. You will be able to do it with PyVisual. And that's why we have come a long way in terms of development. And let me also show you a bonus window which is also running at the background. So this is a window that is running from the same script that this PyVisual window is, the calculator is running. So what I can do is I can move this, and you can see how flexible that is and how pleasing that is to move it around and see how responsive that is. So here I can still see it's still working and all of this works. So the idea is that you can have multiple windows, you can interact between them. So again, anything you can think of as a software, you can develop with this. So I believe this would be the new way of creating modern software with relatively ease. That's the whole idea behind this. We are replicating what Canva does for designers. We are replicating that for programmers to build their UI platform and to build their software with good graphical interfaces. So you will have lots of templates. You can simply drag, drop them, and you can use, for example, a login page. You can simply choose from hundreds of login pages. You click on one of them and you tell the AI that I want, for example, MongoDB to be the database for this, and it will help you integrate, and you can create the UI and the logic as well right from the very beginning. So it will be very easy to develop all of these apps. So if you're interested in this, we are going to Kickstarter very soon. So if you are interested, you can go ahead and notify me on launch because this is a very expensive project. We need lots of funding to actually keep it running. We have come a long way, but we need a lot more so that we can bring it to the market. And we will be offering a lot of incentives in our Kickstarter, which will not be featured after the Kickstarter. So if you are interested in something like this, we are thinking of giving a lifetime deal as well instead of a paid subscription only for Kickstarter. So if you are interested in something like this, stay tuned and you will be notified when it's launched. And trust me, all of the funding that will come in will go on development. We will not keep any of this. We will put it right into development so that we can build this as quickly as possible. And as a Kickstarter backer, you will get the access to or what do you call testing right away, so that you can do some testing as well. You can give us feedback and we can upgrade the features as well. So this is it for today. I hope you have learned something new. I hope you're interested in this project, and if you are, let me know in the comments below and let me know what features would you like to see more in this. And that's pretty much it. I will see you in the next one.